we're going to discuss about the adventitious root modification in vegetative morphology, plant morphology and taxonomy of Angiosperm. Adventitious root modification. In that, there are three types of modification is seen in adventitious root. That is storage root, mechanical support, that is mechanical roots, and vital roots, that is vital functions. First, we're going to see the storage roots. Tuberous roots. So, they are swollen. Okay, they are swollen and it doesn't have any definite shape. Okay, and they are in single and they won't be in clusters. Example, Ipomoea, batatas. In Tamil, it is called as Chakravalli Kalangu. Fasciculated groups. So they looks like the tuberous roots, but they are in clusters. So fasciculated roots are roots in clusters. So they looks like the tuberous roots, but they are in groups. Example, Dahlia and Asparagus. And this is the asparagus root, and they are in clusters, no? Nodulated, that is nodulose root. So the root will swell only at the tips. So only at the tips. Example, Maranta, that is arrow root. This is Maranta. And cucumber amada, that is mango ginger. You can see this mango ginger. And next one is Curcuma longa, that is our turmeric. So these are the three types. Okay. Three, that is turmeric, mango ginger and Maranta. Moniliform or beaded roots. So you can see the swelling in regular intervals of the root and it looks like a beads. Okay, beaded like appearance, beads. Example, Vitis, portulaca, momoridica. So annulated roots. So the roots have a series of rings like swelling on their surface at regular intervals. Example, Psychotria. So you can see the circles around the roots at regular intervals. So here one circle means here one. So you can able to see this circle at regular intervals, no? Mechanical support. Prop roots or pillar roots. Example, Ficus bengalensis, the banyan tree. So you have from the branches of the tree, the roots will grow and it act as an pillar. Okay, they grow from the lateral branches, it grows, the roots grows downwards and they act as a pillars. Example, Ficus bengalensis, banyan tree, Indian rubber is also one of the example. Stilt root or brace root. So this type of root you can see in sugar cane. Example, Saccharum officinarum, that is sugar cane at the base. So at the base there are nodes, that is from the main stem the roots arise and it gives additional support to the plant. Okay, additional is nothing but the mechanical support. And climbing roots or clinging roots. So the climbing roots are formed from the root node, that is nodes of the leaf. So this is the node. For example, you think this is the leaf and this portion is the node. From the node the root arises and this root is held for climbing. You can see here, no, this is the climbing root. Okay. Example, piper beetle, that is piper beetle. Buttresses root. So the broad plank outgrowth is, you can see the outgrowth here, no? So it is a broad one. So this one is a broad outgrowth which is around the base of the trunk of the tree. So they grow very oblique. They won't be in even. So they will be oblique. And the huge support, that is trunk of the tree, so which gives huge support to the tree. So it is the adaptation for tall rainforest. Example, bombax. So tall rainforest, because there tall plants are there. So it gives additional support to stand to give to keep the plant firmly when the rain or any cyclones like that. So they are acting as an buttresses root. Next, vital functions, epiphyte. So you can see this is a tree trunk, that is tree trunk. On the tree trunk, the plant will develop. So epi means above, phyte means plant. So above the plant, this epiphytic plant vanda will grow. So it has two types of roots, that is a special type of roots, that is aerial roots and the clinging roots. Okay, the aerial roots or that is aerial roots and hanging roots. The aerial roots have a special tissue called velamen tissue which absorbs the moisture from the air. So this is the aerial roots and this is the absorbing roots. It absorbs food from the another plant stem. So another plant, it absorbs the food, that is absorbing roots, and clinging roots or hanging roots or aerial roots absorbs the atmospheric oxygen due to the presence of the velamen tissue. Example, vanda. Foliar root. So this is a bryophyllum plant. So from the leaf, foliar means leaf. From the leafy buds, the plant, that is the shoot system, develops, and you can see the adventitious roots also developed from the leaf. So example is bryophyllum. Sucking or haustoria roots. So they are parasitic roots, that is they are seen in the parasitic plants. So what happened? The stem, that is the stem produces the root and it puts an injection. So think this is a stem of another plant and now the cuscuta is surrounding the stem and it puts from the stem. It puts an injection like structure and enter into and block the host plant with the help of haustoria, and it sucks the nutrients from the host plant. Example, cuscuta dodder plant. And photosynthetic or assimilatory, that is roots. So at the nodal region, the photosynthetic roots appear. So which is helpful for photosynthesis. Example, Ctenospora. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. If you want to watch my Tamil version of the same topic, you can go to the playlist. You can go to in the description box. I had given the link. So thanks for watching the video.